Alright, it's Monday, July 28, 2008. I got my tools and stuff put away. It's about 4:38 in the afternoon. I got the wheel on, took the jack stand out, and this car rolls a whole lot easier now that that brake disc and whatnot isn't dragging. You know, that galled area. So that's nice. That means it'll be hard for me to get up the ramp because I'll want to roll downhill whenever I stop it. But that's the way it goes. So let's see if I can videotape this as I go again. Maybe this will get boring for you. I don't know. You've seen it so many times already. Oh boy, it rolls easier now. See if I can just roll around. How am I doing up here? Hey, I hit it. Let's see, yeah, I'm stalling it. I need to move it over just a little bit. Let's see how I'm doing. Might be kind of close to that front. I wander around and take a look. Like I said, it wants to roll downhill. Yeah, I was getting close there. I have to straighten it out. I'm glad I stopped before I got too far along there. And I get to about here. Straighten it out. Back it out a little bit. Get going again. Okay, yeah, I was doing all right there. And you straighten it out though. Again. I'll stick my foot under it. Alright. Straighten it out some. Push. Push and push. Oh, I missed it a little bit. There we go. Alright. Making sure I'm not hitting on this side. This is where the tight spot is. I also have to make sure it won't run away from me and hit the back end as well. Which means I should be up here. But it sure does roll a whole lot easier with that wheel in the right spot. And there we are. That was a lot easier, kind of. It rolled downhill, of course, on its own, but that's alright. There it is, ready to go to sleep for the night. Got my toe boxes in there. I get the jack stand in as well. I gotta get the ramps up. So I'll call it quits, so there's on the recording, so good night.